You just said.
Who are you gonna marry?
Who should I marry? Should I marry Morgan?
Yes.
Should I marry Paco?
Yes.
Should I marry Alden?
No.
Should I marry Reed?
Yeah.
Should I marry Eddie?
Nah.
Nah. Should I marry Dunny?
Who's Danny?
Nah. Should I marry Sarah? Should I marry Jen? What about Emily?
Yeah.
Should I marry Kelsey?
Is Kelsey a girl?
Yeah. Should I marry Bella?
Bella's not a boy.
Bella's a dog, right? Should I marry Hannah?
Oh, she's a girl.
Should I marry Johnny?
Uh-huh.
No, Johnny's my brother, silly. Should I marry... Who else? Should I marry Jeff?
Daddy?
No, Jeff, not Seth.
Daddy's Jeff?
I don't know who that is. I'm talking about my Jeff. What about Shane? Should I marry Shane?
Who's Shane?
Shane? He's my friend.
Where does he live?
Burlington. That's kind of close to here, right? Maybe someday we can go visit Shane. Oh, I know who I should marry. Jack. Remember Jack? He burps a lot. Should I marry Jack?
Uh-huh.
Okay, it's settled. I'm marrying Jack. Yay! Will you be at my wedding? Okay. Show me some dance moves that you're going to do at my wedding. Get down, get down. Yeah, boogie down, girl. Are you going to sing a song at my wedding?
Yeah.
What are you going to sing to me? Sing me a pretty song.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what